Hey, what's up, guys? So today we're going to be looking at the goal seek function in Excel. Basically, what that goal seek function does is it helps you determine what a missing value should be to come back to your expected value. So, let's jump straight into it. It'll make more sense when we look at the example that I've got laid out here. So what I'm basically showing here in this data set is the dates Jan to December. We're showing prior year sales, and what we're determining here is we're saying if we had 5% growth to our prior year sales, what do we need to be forecasting our sales at? Which is showing at the moment 7132. You look at these formulas, you can see that they've all been linked to that 5%. But basically now what we can do with goal seek is we can set a number here. We can say, let's say we want this to be 8,000. So rather than trying to calculate what this growth rate should be, let's use the goal seek function on that. So the way to get to goal seek, you go to data in Excel, and it's what if analysis, goal seek. So you want to set value, you want to set your value there. So you click on that cell there. You want to set that to 8,000, 8,123. And the cell value that you want to change is one that's linked to all of these. So that's that 5%. Let's change that. Okay. And that's showing you that we need an 18% growth rate to get back to that number. And that's basically what goal seek is. Rather than wasting time sitting there and calculating what that growth rate should be manually, you've got the function in Excel to do that pretty much instantly. So yes, it's great. And let's try and use it one more time. Let's just so we get the hang of it. Set cell value, again, that one. What value do we want to set that to? Let's say 5,000. By changing cell value there, and bang, it works it out for you. So minus 26% right there. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed that video, guys, and I'll be glad if you can subscribe, and I'll keep the information coming. Thanks a lot.